Hello, all of you. Just press any key on your keyboard right now, and maybe I am entering letter A. It appears on your screen instantly. Simple, right? But wait, how does your computer know pressed A, not B, or not C, or not Z? Does the keyboard actually understand English? Or is something incredible happening inside your computer? So let's find it out. So we use keyboards every single day to type messages, write assignments, search on Google, or chat with your friends. But every time you press just one key, your computer performs thousands of tiny operations in a fraction of a second. Let's follow the journey of a single letter. So, before we continue further, which key do you think you press the most? Mine is probably the space bar. Tell me yours in the comment section. So, let's say you press the letter A. Alright, the keyboard doesn't send this letter A directly. Instead, it sends a tiny electronic signal to the computer. The operating system receives that signal and forwards it to the CPU. The CPU quickly understands which key was pressed. It then uses RAM to process the information instantly. All of this happens so fast and that you don't even notice it. But here is the interesting part. The computer still does not understand English. So, how does it know this signal means the letter A? So, let's see this via pre-processing. The CPU now checks a predefined code for that key. So it realizes this signal represents the letter A. Then the operating system tells the screen, display the letter A by creating the character. And just like that, the letter appears on your monitor. One simple key press. Alright, thousands of tiny electrical signals. And as output, we get one result. So imagine typing at 60 words per minute, your computer repeats this entire process hundreds of times every single minute without making a mistake. So the complete journey looks like this. You press a key, the keyboard sends a signal, the OS receives it, the CPU processes it using RAM, the monitor displays the correct letter. So all of this happens in just a few milliseconds. Here is something amazing. Even while you're typing, your computer is also playing music, connecting to the internet, running background apps, and still keeping up with every key you press. So today, we discovered the hidden journey behind a single key press. The CPU doesn't understand English. Everything works together through electronic signals and instructions. But now, here is the biggest mystery. If computers don't understand English, what language do they actually understand? The answer is surprisingly simple. It understands just 0 and 1, these two numbers. And that's exactly what we will explore in our next video in Why Do Computers Understand Only 0 and 1? Trust me, after watching that video, you will understand computers in a completely different way. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to CodePaath, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you, all of you.